In this video walkthrough by Mote, we'll demonstrate how you can use Google Jamboard to create a math audio notebook. As you can see here, I'm in a Jamboard and I've already inked through a problem. And now what I'm going to do using Sticky Mote is add a layer of audio on top of this that as a student I can then share with my teacher so the teacher can really clearly hear me demonstrating and explaining my thinking, and all of that process is captured with audio. So to do this, what we're going to do once we're done working on the Jamboard is tap on the Mote icon up in our Chrome browser. And you can see here we can begin to record our voice with Mote. And let's do that right now. And notice we still have the Jamboard in the background. So here's my problem solving process, and I solved 3x plus 5 equals 14. So imagine the student went through and explained all of their thinking really clearly. When we hit done, here's this little audio that I just created with Mote. And what I can do now is copy the link to that. Now, instead of the student sharing the Jamboard with you, which is just the Jamboard with their inking, what they actually want to do is either share or turn in this link. So I'll copy that link. And what I'll do now is paste that link into a new tab so you can see what the final product looks like. Now, this is called a Sticky Mote. In the top right-hand corner, here is my 11 seconds of audio that I've recorded that automatically appears on top of the Jamboard because of the Mote link that I've shared. So now we can play this back. So here's my problem-solving process, and So imagine that's what the teacher, the educator, would be able to hear. So instead of just having the inking, we can see the evidence of the work, we can hear the student explain their process, and this is a fantastic way to create math audio notebooks with Mote. So I hope this video walkthrough is helpful and this idea can apply to your math classroom and students can begin creating audio notebooks with Jamboard and Mote in your classroom. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, check out our other playlists and videos, and we'll see you in the next video walkthrough.